Welcome back to Corporal Health. Seniors, did you know your muscles could be vanishing right now, even if you're just sitting still? By age 70, you may have already lost up to 40% of your muscle mass, and most people don't even know it. But here's the shocking part. One missing vitamin might be the reason why. And fixing it could help you rebuild strength, stay mobile, and protect your independence, starting today. Let's uncover what your body's been begging for all along, the hidden muscle crisis. According to recent research from the Mayo Clinic, by age 70, many adults have already lost nearly 40% of their muscle mass. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the leading reasons seniors fall, lose mobility, and eventually need help with daily tasks. But here's the shocker. Most doctors rarely mention it, and that's silence. It costs people their strength, freedom, and independence. It doesn't have to be this way. The good news is, muscle loss isn't inevitable. In fact, with the right nutrition, you can stop, even reverse it. There's one key vitamin that your muscles cannot function properly without, and chances are you're not getting enough of it. Statins, the number one vitamin your muscles need, meet vitamin D. This powerhouse nutrient is involved in muscle strength, coordination, and bone health. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles weaken, your balance suffers, and your risk of falls increases. And if you're not regularly in the sun, or if you're over 60, your body probably isn't making enough on its own. The top 6 nutrients for muscle strength. After 60. Want to strengthen your muscles after 60? Here are 6 nutrients your body needs. Vitamin D3 boosts muscle strength and balance. Magnesium helps with muscle contractions. Vitamin K2 directs calcium to bones, not arteries. Creatine monohydrate, proven to increase lean muscle. Leucine from protein, essential for muscle repair. Omega-3 fatty acids reduces inflammation and supports recovery. When taken consistently, these can do more for your strength than prescription meds by up to 300%. The medication warning are: you on statins, blood pressure pills, or acid blockers? These common medications might be depleting your muscle-saving nutrients, especially vitamin D and CoQ10. That's why supplementation is not just helpful, it's often essential. How to take control. Here's what you can do starting today. Ask your doctor to test your vitamin D levels. Start a high-quality D3 supplement, 2,000–5,000 IU. Add creatine, 3 to 5 g, to your morning routine. Eat protein-rich meals with eggs, fish, or a clean shake. Stay active with light strength training. These small changes, they protect your independence and strength for years to come. A final takeaway: don't wait until getting up from a chair becomes a struggle. Don't wait until a simple fall changes your life. Your strength is your freedom, and now you have the knowledge to protect it. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone you care